we couldn't film it. We couldn't film it. But the tractor just pulled me out.
779.
Yeah. So I know I couldn't find the camera, but finally got pulled out. That tractor with the small engine is a beast. Yeah. We could, look, the sky is open. We can go and join the shot.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So that was some shit. Wow. Yeah, that was some crap. But we made it out. I'll have to wipe a lot of stuff down.
That's when we wall.
100%.
Yeah, man. We're stuck in the mud, but finally we are out.
Finally.
Yeah.
We're off to the next one. Ah, that was something. Stuck for a few hours, but we're out. You have to love the rainy season. Look at mud. Okay, okay. You're welcome. Yeah, so that was okay. So
Quite an experience.
yeah, but
Now please, don't try nothing again.
you see, look here, see, I can go slow. These people have to go fast.
Yeah.
I have to wash it. I have to wash it. Don't worry. They'll make it.
Don't do that again, man.
Wait, something is wrong.
Huh?
Something is wrong. My Africa journey continues. Yes, I am stuck in mud. Second day in a row. Could you imagine second day in a row? I was driving and the clay broke in. Oh, here comes Adrian. How Adrian I gonna make him? This is supposed to be my knight in shining armor. Why? Me no know. All right. No, it not gonna move. Because the clay broke in. Me drop through the clay. Me drop through the clay. No, this way, front way. So yeah, he's let's see how this adventure goes. Hold on, let me walk you in. Let me walk you in. Let me tell you how deep it be. Set. Yeah, shine the light on my foot so you can see, you can tell Adrian how deep it be. Yeah. You're that good. Yeah. No, that good. Yeah, you can reach. You know me for me set to hold the camera. I have to make a video in my bad time. Say something to the camera, set.
Hola, camera. How is camera? No, it's a 360 camera. So it sees everything. So it sees in front, behind, left, right.
Yeah, we're stuck here in mud. We're trying to pull Mansa out, you know. So let's see how this 4x4 working. We're in a serious water puddle, something like that.
Yeah.
All right, Gillen.
Huh?
Go forward
forward.
with attention.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, wait.
It's gonna.
Yeah, go.
It's ready.
Wow.
Mansa?
Yeah, you not gonna away?
No. You're in neutral?
Shit.
Careful there. You're in neutral?
Yeah.
Why? You sink deep there.
Yeah, but me drive and the clay drop me in.
May I forgot to get a shovel?
No, that not gonna help. Your big jacket gonna help.
Make up the jacket at the back.
Yeah, one piece of wood. So me just jack
Let
up.
me go and get the wood.
One piece of flat wood?
Make up wood, yeah.
All right.
Let me go and get it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, camera set.
That's good.
Ah? Hey, set, watch your mouth enough. Yeah. Yes, so that didn't go as planned. We'll try plan number 2.